You wouldn't know it, but you can fill Kongs with food and your dogs will be at very least distracted for maybe 10 minutes to a half an hour. These are like a lifesaver for us if we're gonna go out to dinner or something and they get a little wound up because we're leaving, or if you just have guests over and they're overacting, you know, they're like, you throw a Kong with our little food mix in there, the frozen food mix, and off they go. Yogurt, this is a low-fat yogurt. I like Chobani, they're not paying me to say that. I like their Greek yogurt. Do you like this, Tracy?
Yeah, I get definitely Greek and low-fat for the pups because the thicker yogurt is easier to work with. And
they're a smaller company and they have all that kind of fair trade stuff, so I like, you know, you're kind of putting your money to good. I use a banana and I use peanut butter. There are more recipes. We're gonna make more recipes going forward, a couple more videos, so stick around. But let's make this. I don't measure. Because to tell you the truth, I want a little for myself. So I'm gonna kind of guesstimate the volume needed to go into a Kong. These are the big, they make a medium, large. This is the large size, which by the way, you can put these in the dishwasher to clean them out. So I take probably 1, 2, 3, 4 dollops. That's a word, right?
Yeah, it's a good word.
Okay, 4 dollops of that, and then because you don't want to see me lick the spoon, someone will make a comment. Ooh.
Right.
It's for my dogs, right? And then I take, I would say, a heaping thing of peanut butter here.
Creamy, right?
Right.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, now I can't talk.
Now the spoon goes in the sink. That's like.
I've got yogurt and peanut butter. Now it's time for banana. I usually try and use a firmer banana. I'm not quite sure why, but that's just who I am. And then I slice it down the middle like that.
So like discs.
Right.
But they're already in halves.
And I mean, this brown part, you can cut it off. You can do whatever you want with it.
It's still banana.
They're Labradors, okay? And am I missing anything?
No, a fork. I use the pastry blender.
What's a pastry blender?
It's a handle with long wires on it, and it mushes your bananas really good into the yogurt. That's a whisk.
I know, but pastry blender.
Yeah, Eric.
Well, what do you mean, yeah, Eric? I don't know.
That's a potato masher.
Clearly no prep in this video. Some of the most successful videos I've made have been with my sister and an iPad, okay? So, all right, so I literally just mishmash this. I'm using my spoon, but you could, maybe to be more official, we can use one of these rubbery things.
A spatula.
That's good. You
don't break up the bananas?
No. So I just ran these through the top rack of the dishwasher, and I have like a teaspoon. This is called a thin spoon.
Teaspoon.
This kind of spoon. What you just think about the diameter of your Kong, and
why do I have to think about the diameter of my Kong related to what size spoon I have?
So the spoon can push this in.
Oh, see, then I end up with Kong goo stuck in the bottom of the Kong. Maybe my dogs aren't as efficient as yours.
Right, well they have maybe shorter tongues. So this is a yogurt peanut butter banana mix. How do you know when it's full, right? All of a sudden it starts kind of pushing back at you. See how it's going squirt, squirt.
And it's oozing out the other end is also an indication.
But these are a brilliant way to, they make, it looks like Cheese Whiz that you can spray inside these. And I'm sure, that's a healthy product, but it's another can of pressurized stuff you gotta buy here. You probably have everything to make these, right? So this one is almost filling up. I can tell because I looked here.
It's a physics lesson.
Oh, yeah.
Is it pushing out now?
No.
No, because
Oh,
Because I'm not Martha Stewart, this isn't gonna look perfect,
You
because
are.
done is better than perfect.
oh my.
In your freezer. My sister's here, so I cleaned my refrigerator. You wanna see?
No.
It's beautiful.
Look how clean that is. You can let these freeze for a half hour or overnight. So how frozen they are is really up to you. We're going out for a while this afternoon. I want to give them something to do so they don't tear up our house. So these are done enough, right? All right, you want some more of those kind of videos? A couple floating right here. You and me and the dogs, more time together, right here.